Hi, V family. This is Sharfun Sheikh. I hope you all are safe wherever you are. And I'm so thankful that we are able to connect despite being miles apart from each other. Today, I'm here to talk about beauty and how to stay beautiful. Inside every woman, there is a beautiful person who wants to set free. However, with our schedules and our priorities keeping us so busy, we hardly get time to take care of ourselves. And I think eventually we also forget that how truly beautiful we are from within. Nothing makes a woman more beautiful than the belief that she carries within. However, one fact that we cannot avoid is that we all are aging. And I'm sure we all cannot pull the time back. So, if you're really going to age, why not age gracefully? It's not only about how we look, it's also about how we feel, how we live. We all are different as people, and so is our skin. So, to talk about skin and beauty, let me welcome two beautiful ladies from the V who are gorgeous and beautiful from heart. Let's welcome AVP Nargis and AVP Shipra. Hi, AVP Nargis, and hi, AVP Shipra. You guys, you are looking gorgeous.
So are you?
Yes, so are you.
So you guys have been taking care of yourself all this while because it's been long that we haven't met, and now I see you. You are glowing.
Thank you.
Honestly, it's being an entrepreneur, it's not easy to take care of ourselves. And during the whole time, the presentations, the team calls, the Zoom meetings, it's been really tough. But end of the day, you have to do it.
I agree.
It's really all about self-love. You know, you really have to love yourself and do give yourself that time. Even though my schedule is so tight and so busy, I do find this morning time where I take care of I silence my mind, I do my SOS, and of course, I do my morning routine.
So I'm curious to know, what is it that you've been doing?
Well, it's this new skincare collection from Physio Radiance. Lately, you know, that's what I've been using mostly.
Same here. I mean, I have been using this from past few days, and using it properly, step by step, is actually the best way to get the best results.
Have you guys heard of healthy aging skin? You know, lately that's the new trend.
Yeah, I think even I came across the healthy aging skin. I guess it's about not having this instant skin repair.
Yeah, exactly. These days, most people focus on instant results, and that's not the best way to do it.
In fact,
Agreed.
nowadays there's so many products available in the market, and people have been using them, which are filled with very harsh chemicals. And people don't understand that healthy skin is the best about keeping it more natural and using more natural products.
I agree.
But I mean, you go to the world and you buy all these brands, and you have so many harsh chemicals, you don't even see what they have.
So, how does this new Physio Radiance skincare collection really help us for a healthy aging skin?
So basically, it helps restore the cycle of your skin. It supports the natural skin system. So basically, what we have on our skin is something very important. Today, a lot of people are talking about is the microbiome, which when you use these harsh products, it strips your skin from all the main bacteria, the good bacteria on your skin, which is like the microbiome. So this product here has something very special. Probiotics and prebiotics. That's what makes it magical. It's the combination of probiotics and prebiotics which supports your skin, supports and defends and maintains the skin and its microbiome.
Wow, that sounds really interesting.
Yeah, I mean, it's meant for all the skin types, and every step has been designed very beautifully to suit all the skin types.
My favorite one is this one, the Boosting Essence. It's really hydrating and refreshing, especially if you use it. Before you use it, you put it in the refrigerator, and then you use it, it gives you this hydrating, refreshing feeling. And I love to put it before I put on my serum.
Nice.
For me, I think this is one of my best, I would say, because the moment I'm using this, all these fine lines and everything, it's all gone. It's
Wow.
very good.
Wow.
Regarding the fine lines, one of the best creams or serums for the eye is the Repair Eye Cream because it has certain ingredients that helps the elasticity around the eye and helps repair and tighten and firm the skin around the eye, which a lot of people forget about.
Okay.
Yeah, in fact, I also use Physio Visage along with this for getting the best results, because using the whole collection along with the Visage, amazing results.
Lovely. So, I think this was a great session that we had to understand some beautiful products we have from the two beautiful ladies. So, thank you so much.
Thank
you so much,
you.
AVP
Thank
Nargis,
you.
and thank you so much,
AVP
AVP Shikha.
Shafon.
So, I think having such amazing products, not only that we as women need to take care of ourselves, our skins, but however, I think we can also buy this for our mothers and mother-in-laws and our friends and gift it to them. It's an amazing gift. If it can help somebody to take care of their aging skin, I think no better gift than this to any woman.
Absolutely.
Yes.
So thank you so much. So why don't we have a quick look at this Physio Radiant skincare collection with pre and probiotic and find out more about such an amazing skincare collection.
Every circle of beauty needs to circle back to your youthful beauty within. Introducing our new pioneering healthy aging skincare system, enhanced with pre and probiotics that can revolutionize skin's healthy aging process. With an innovative blend of high-tech active ingredients that helps to recover, defend, and make your skin look healthier. New Physio Radiant Skincare Collection. Because your beauty is our belief. Physio Radiance.